More about one of the 5 children killed by the tornado in Putnam County. In a Facebook post, Hattie Collins' father, says the 4-year-old was sleeping with her parents when they heard the tornado alert. They all rushed to get their other child and hit the floor. Hattie's father, Matt, says he held her safely in his arms when they were thrown from their home. Hattie passed away before getting to the hospital, but Matt says he has peace. Just hours before the tornado, Hattie told him she could see Jesus and, quote, "We believe he is holding our little girl for us."